Hisyam. I am from class 2A3E. So today we're going to conduct experiment for properties of fluid. One of the properties of fluid is density. One of the methods that I will going to show you is using beaker method. So first you need to prepare water, oil, beaker, weighing scale. To start, first you need to clean the mass of beaker. Then you need to pour or fill this beaker with water. Then you need to stir again and weigh the mass of water with beaker. Repeat 3 times to get the average. Next, use second fluid, which is oil.
Based on data that we obtain, we can find the density of fluid. In this case, is density of oil and water. So the first step is to find the mass of water and mass of oil. In order to find the mass of water, we need to use this equation: mass of beaker filled with water minus with mass of beaker. As an example, MW1 is equals to 62.1 gram minus 9.7 gram, which we will get 52.4 gram. Repeat the same step for MW2, MW3, MO1, MO2, and MO3. Record data that we obtain in a proper documentation. Second step is to find the average mass of water and oil. To find average mass of water, we need to sum up all mass of water obtained based on step 1, which are MW1 plus MW2 plus MW3, and divide by 3. In this case, we get the average mass of water is 51.83 gram, and we will repeat this step to find the average mass of oil, which we will get 45.83 gram. The last step is to find the density of water and oil. Based on equation density, or we will know as rho equals to mass over volume, we can get the density of fluid. The SI unit for density is gram per cm cube, or you also may use kilogram per meter cube. To find the density of water, we need to divide average mass of water with volume of beaker. Note for everyone that 50 ml is equals to 50 cm cube. To find the density of water, we will divide 51.83 gram by 50 cm cube. Hence, we will get 1.04 gram per cm cube, while the density of oil, we will get 0.92 gram per cm cube. Hence, we can conclude that density of water is greater than density of oil.
Hello, my name is Shasha Nur Qamarina with Riduan, and I am from class 2A3A. So I will be doing the method 2, which is the density water method. For density water method, we will need oil, water, density water. That's all. So first, we need to weigh the mass of density water with the lid. So this mass 13.6. So after that, we need to fulfill the density water with the fluid, which is the first fluid that I will be using is water. Make sure there is no air bubble in the density water. Then wipe the density bottle until dry and weigh the mass of density bottle with its lid and water. 81.3. Then repeat the procedure for 3 times to get the average mass of water. Repeat the procedure using different fluid, which is oil. And repeat 3 times to get the average mass of oil.
This is the result that we obtained from the experiment. To get the density of each fluid, I use the formula of M2 minus M1 divided by V. M1 is weight of empty density bottle, while M2 is weight of density bottle plus water, and V is volume of water. So after doing some calculation, I can conclude that the density of water is larger than the density of oil.
My name is Nursyarifah Hidayah binti Manzolkipli. I will show you the procedure using Eureka can. For the first, we weigh 50 ml beaker. We weigh 5 marble. Put the 50 ml beaker at the nozzle Eureka can, and then we fill the water into the Eureka can not more than the level of the hole. Release the marble one by one. Wait until the water coming out of the Eureka funnel stop. Then we wait the 50 ml beaker with the liquid. Repeat this procedure using oil. Release the marble one by one. Then weigh the liquid in the beaker.
I will explain how to calculate the density of the water and oil. We have weighed the marble, beaker, water and oil, and we get the value of the beaker plus water is equal to 22.8 gram, and to get the weight of the water, we need to subtract the weight of the beaker, which is 10 gram. The result is 12.8 gram and is converted to meter cube, which is by multiply 10 to the negative power of 6, and we get volume of water in centimeter cube is 12.8 multiplied by 10 to the negative power of 6. Finally, the density formula is the weight of marble divided by the volume of water, and we get the value in kilogram per cubic meter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Zikri Farqad bin Jaafar. Okay, for this experiment, we want to find the viscosity. The apparatus that we use is measurement cylinder, different type of marble, two type of liquid that we use is oil and water, and vernier caliper. This we want to measure the marble, and for the last one is stop wash. For the first one, we use the water. We pour the water until the desired level. Example, for this one, we pour until 1 liter. Now, before we release the marble, we need to measure the diameter of the marble. Example, for this one is the 1.91. Okay, before we release the marble surface of water, we need to start the stopwatch, and then when the marble touch the ground, stop the stopwatch.
My name is Ansarullah. Today I'm going to show the procedure of viscosity measurement using oil. So first of all, the apparatus that we use is measuring cylinder, beaker filled with oil, marbles, and vernier caliper, total stopwatch. Okay, first, we need to measure each of marbles that we want to use. So this one is 1.93 centimeter. Then fill the oil into measuring cylinder until the desired level. Okay, next step is, for this one is, the volume is 250 ml. Okay, next, take the marble and release into the measuring cylinder. Before you release, we need to take a stopwatch and then press record when marble hit the surface until it hit the base. Okay, that's it.
This is the data collection for this experiment. So this is the data table that we calculate for the sample calculation for the water, volume of marble using this formula, and then for the velocity using this formula, and then for the density of marble using this formula, and then for the absolute viscosity using this formula. For the kinematic viscosity, the answer of absolute viscosity divided by 1000 to get the kinematic viscosity, and then repeat the calculation with the different diameter of marble to get the average. So this is the average kinematic viscosity for this experiment.